So my dad's helping me tie-dye these shorts, and we're gonna do 2 pairs of shorts and a couple shirts. It's my first time. Woohoo! Okay, so first you're gonna tape the shorts. I wanted to do the style where it's half and half, so I started off by taping the whole side just in case it splattered anywhere. As you can see, the tape didn't really hold. This was paint tape. I would probably use duct tape or something a little more sturdy next time. Also, as you can see there, my dad tried to patch the night before, and we're trying to cover that up here. As you can see, the other side, it kind of went through, so this was a mistake, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm trying to make the other side bleached, but still darker than the other side. So I still want it to be two-toned, but mistakes were made. And as you can see, that little bit of yellow there, I'm gonna come back to that later, but yeah. Also this side, I thought the back pocket, I thought I could keep it the original color, but it ended up bleeding through. The bleach ended up bleeding through to that side. So I don't know how I would, in the future I would probably put like metal or something sturdy in between to keep it from bleeding. And yeah, I would have taped it more precisely. Okay, so you can see here I'm going over the yellow again. So I let this sit for about 20 minutes, and then I went to go rinse them, and I just did it in a bucket like this. And then after I sprayed it with a hose, and this is how they came out. You want to make sure you put it through the washer before wearing them. And they will smell like bleach, like hardcore bleach. But I love them, they're super cute. Okay, next, shout out Dad for helping me. This is us struggling, trying to figure it out. Great father-daughter bonding. Oh yeah, okay, on to the next one. So these ones are interesting. I tried doing the tape again a little bit more precise this time, and I tried getting the back really nice, as you can see here. Moral of the story, I should have used different tape. Okay, so then we're gonna go pour the bleach. Next time I think I would add some water with the bleach. I think it was a little too strong because it did end up destroying a couple of my shirts. But okay, so you can see here the black being bleached. It turns into like a brown. It's really ugly, but it'll keep going, and eventually we'll get to a yellow. I ended up not liking these ones at all. Yeah, I'm probably never gonna wear these, but I'm gonna share my failures too, because life is full of failures. I don't know. Okay, and then we have me going over here with my dad. These ones we tried washing them over here.
Ew, I just stepped in dog shit.
I told Amy to watch it.
Yeah, that happened. Ew. But also, again, keeping it real. Okay, so wringing them out. See, look at that yellow. Kind of fun, right?
Holy shit.
That's my TikTok.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside.
So this is how they came out. I think I'll probably end up just bleaching the entire set of shorts, because as you can see, it's a messy job. It ended up kind of splattering onto the other side and bleeding into it, so a failure, but hey, it could have been cool. But I love these ones. These I'll definitely wear. Super cute. This is the shirt that was a failure, but I'm going to show you how I did it anyways. So my mistake was I didn't do it with color, and the shirt should have been color. I thought it would have been a muted, cool tie-dye. I was wrong, but if you do have a colored shirt, this is how you would do it. The rubber bands and the circle, you could do it however you want, but I like the circle. And then put bleach on it. Again, this destroyed this shirt. I would put some water in it to make it not so strong, because I learned that bleach eats everything and will destroy. So also another important thing, make sure you wear gloves. Wow, Amy, okay. Anyways, do as I say, not as I show. Use gloves. And then I undid it too soon. I should have left it for a little bit, and I shouldn't have rinsed it so fast, because it would have been like that, which is cool. That would have been a dope shirt. But anyways, Shout out to Dad appreciation moment. But overall, great father-daughter bonding experience, 10 out of 10. Would definitely do again. I learned a lot and hope you guys did too. Thanks so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.